Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on WhatsApp. So, let's get started. First of all, open the WhatsApp app on your Android phone and tap on the three vertical dots in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, go to settings and tap on your profile name or photo at the top of the screen. Now, tap on the camera icon next to your profile picture to either take a new photo or choose one from your gallery. If you decide to choose a photo from your gallery, simply select the image, adjust it as needed, and tap done to set it as your new profile picture. It's that simple. Now, your contacts will see your updated photo whenever they message you. And that's it. Now you know how to change your profile picture on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.